Navigating the world with a new baby can be both exciting and overwhelming, especially when it comes to managing their sensory experiences. Overstimulation in babies is a common concern, but with the right strategies, you can help your little one find calm amidst the chaos. Here are some essential tips to prevent overstimulation in your baby. First, recognize the signs. Babies might show they're overwhelmed through fussiness, crying, or turning their head away. Understanding these cues is the first step in addressing their needs. Create a soothing environment. Soft lighting, gentle sounds, and minimal distractions can help your baby feel more at ease. Consider using blackout curtains or a white noise machine to create a peaceful space. Establish a routine. Consistency can be comforting for babies. Try to maintain regular feeding, sleeping, and play schedules to provide a sense of security and predictability. Limit exposure to new stimuli. Introduce new experiences gradually. Whether it's a new toy, a different room, or meeting new people, take it slow to avoid overwhelming your baby. Practice skin-to-skin contact. Holding your baby close can provide comfort and reassurance, helping them feel safe and secure. If your baby becomes overstimulated, try calming techniques like swaddling, rocking, or a gentle lullaby. These can help soothe and reset their senses. Remember, every baby is unique. What works for one might not work for another, so be patient and attentive to your baby's individual needs. Preventing overstimulation is about balance and understanding. With patience and practice, you can help your baby navigate their new world with confidence and calm. Trust your instincts and enjoy the journey of parenthood, one gentle moment at a time.